Leroy, 01 Corvette, found it on eBay wrecked. Got to do something. And it was right when my YouTube started, so we wanted something like really cheap that was easy to mod. And we all loved Corvettes, so we were like, all right, let's do a Corvette. So get the car, and like the internet just loved it. So we got in contact with Texas Speed, and they were like, let's put a crazy engine in it. So we got it's a 5.3 liter aluminum block, and then they honed it out to a 427 and put darkened sleeves in. So now it's rated for, I mean, shoot, I can make 1400 wheel horsepower on an aluminum block because we wanted to keep the weight down. 2900 with me in it.
Nice.
So then we got the engine and we hit up precision. We were like, we need some turb skis on this thing.
Yeah.
As you love the turb skis as well. You have quad turb skis. And, 64, 66s, they're kind of small for this engine. You could put huge ones on it. But when I tell you, you could put it in fourth gear right here and literally go 15, 20 miles an hour and mat the throttle, and it would immediately come in the boost.
Yeah.
Because the housing.
Well, that's what everybody said to me. Put a big turbo on it. I don't know. I like small ones because they come up right away. Yeah.
Yeah. And so the nice thing about the Precisions is I put a small housing on it, and the back pressure gets high sometimes.
Yeah.
But it spools immediately, and I can still make 13 or 1400 if I need to.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
So I think small turbo for the win.
So I went wrong with HP tuners, and you got Holly and much better success with it.
Yeah. I think if any of my people are on here, they'll know that I fought a throttle body default.
Yep.
For forever.
Yeah, I saw a bunch of those. I'm like, I'm not gonna have that problem because I'm going with a cable.
It's not HP Tuner's fault. It's just stock computer's fault.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
The stock LS computer can only handle so much. Some guys have them running good on 1,000 or so.
Yeah.
But for whatever reason, I couldn't get it figured out. So Holly Performance, we have a Holly Dominator in there. Literally tuned it once, like 1,000 horsepower, and all I've done since is adjust the boost because that's all I do. Like, I'll show you.
It's okay.
You need your laptop sometimes because it's easier to look at stuff, but you can do anything on this.
Yeah.
So like, when I tell you it's versatile, so you set up your target air to fuel ratios.
Okay.
And once those are set up, it always hits them.
Okay.
So even if it's 40 degrees in Denver, and you got your car in Denver, the tune will automatically compensate to make your fuel levels right at like, say 11.9.
See, that's what I need. My laptop died and I was running lean. I'm like, I'm just gonna send it anyway. But
this just does it all automatically. It's called closed loop comp. I'm sure you've heard of it. So then like literally I go into here. I'll go like tuning, performance. Go into my. I'll go into my like. I just have it set up on one gear.
Yeah.
And like I can literally just set my graph for how I want my boost to act. When I tell you it's easy, it's so easy. I mean, I'm like before pass, I'm like, just put her down there and hit set, and then it just does it. And then, I mean, obviously all the safety parameters are amazing. So like overboost, everyone has that, but if you can set it against anything. If you hit your blinker and it blinks 4 times, you can set that up to do boost cut.
Oh yeah.
You can do anything. Like
that's awesome.
Boost by gear. Boost by blinker, boost by tire speed, boost by time, boost by the direction of the earth. Like, if you can think it, like, kid you not, it can do it. We did their training school too.
Okay.
And it's
like well worth it.
Insane.
Yeah.
Awesome. And I was like, dude, there's a NASCAR for sale, Dale Earnhardt paint scheme in Mississippi. I was like, we're leaving in an hour. She's like, okay. We just went, immediately saw it. We're like, okay, done deal.
Nice.
Bought it, took it home. So it needs a lot of work. Your car's pretty nuts.
Yeah.
To do a quad Derbski setup is pretty insane, right?
Well, we came in and we're like, we don't have money. We're a small channel. We're like, we're not gonna win, so we're gonna have to show up with something just ridiculous, just to get some attention.
They showed up to build a car. They didn't build a car for the Project Challenge. They built a car at the Project Car Challenge.
Yeah,
they put it out of the trailer. I'm like, wow. I'm like, looks like they have some work to do because I always say like the last 10% of a car takes 90% of the time. HollyPerformance.com, and they have this this fuel blanket thing
that like pushes down.
No. It lays in there. It's like a bag. It looks like a plastic bag, and it lays in there. And no matter what angle, anything, if it's your car's on its side and there's just a little puddle down here, it scoops it up. It's this amazing technology. It's, either you can do that, or just throw some baffles in there.
Yeah. was something.
Adam jumped in there. I was like, Adam. I was like, damn, bro. He risked it for the biscuit.
I think you won the burnout contest, though.
Yeah, it was great. It was nice seeing Adam's headlights like right by Cleetus's door.
Saw the BMW. I was like, oh no. We're good.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Well, that's awesome. Like going in a donut for this and doing that little run there. I know that the Audi's got a lot to do to get to where he is, but pretty cool build. All the nice welds. You can tell that even though it's like a strip Corvette, it's done very, very nicely. You can tell he takes pride in his work. He can understand. He's like, oh, I'm down a cylinder on this side because probably roasted the plug doing that. And it's nice when the drivers are also the mechanics. You can check out Cleetus's page. He works on his own stuff, admits his mistakes. He ended up putting clutch disc in backwards, and 100%. Thank you very much.
Hey, thank you. Really nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too.
Just have a good one. Safe travels.
Yep.